An American energy executive claims to have a legal contract with the Somali government for extracting oil and gas. The Product Sharing Agreement, PSA, was signed in February in Istanbul. Somalia's Petroleum Minister Abdirashid Ahmed signed for the government. The nation's president and prime minister both immediately called it invalid. But Richard Anderson of Coastline Exploration told the Voice of America that the document is legal and in full effect. "We did not ignore anything. Before we signed the PSAs in February, we consulted with the ministry and with the SPA, Somali Petroleum Authority, and we were assured that both the President and PM were aware of the process and they were fine with the signing." Anderson admitted they did not speak with either President Mohamed Farmajo or Prime Minister Mohamed Roble. Before the deal was done, very explicit instructions barring such agreements had been made public. The latest was an August 7th presidential decree preventing the government from entering into international accords during the election period. There is also the matter that the government's mandate had expired, and it is unclear whether legally the document needs to be ratified by the legislature or another body. The matter is now in the hands of Somalia's Attorney General. Anderson revealed the details of the arrangement. A 5% royalty of the gross revenue is received by Somalia. Profits are split 50-50. Coastline would pay a 30% income tax on their profits. The 7 blocks identified would be leased for 30 years. There's been mixed reaction among experts as to the fairness of the terms. But the connection with Soma Oil and Gas, where many of Coastline's top execs previously worked, as well as former Somali Prime Minister Hassan Ali Khari, has many looking for corruption. Soma was investigated in the UK for its slippery practices and eventually became absorbed by Coastline. Anderson denies any misconduct around this deal. "I want to tell everybody up front that we are not corrupt. We don't need to be corrupt. No Somali government official has ever asked me to make any kind of illegal payment. It has never happened. I would also like to stress that no Somali politician is a shareholder of Coastline." He did admit that Coastline paid for the government's flights to Istanbul and hotel rooms there. Anderson thinks the Attorney General will eventually clear the agreement legally. ADN TV will continue to report on economic developments across Africa.